Hello everyone. Today in this module you will get an idea about the National Development Council. This part in this year, that is in the session of 2020-21, CBSE has included in class 12 political science in the chapter planned development. So in this session, NDC, that is National Development Council, that was included in the curriculum from in the chapter planned development. So let's see that what is NDC. It is a very that it is a very vast topic, but I try to collect the information which may be helpful to you during your time of the board examination. So let's see, know about little bit about the National Development Council. First we have to know about the little bit introduction about the NDC. NDC stand for National Development Council. In Hindi we call it as a Rashtriya Vikas Parishad. It is a one kind of that executive body which was established by the government of India. You all know that there is a three branches of our government, that is legislative, executive and the judiciary. So all the executives, they have only the work to implement the policies or the laws which is that is made by the legislations. So the executive, they are try to establish, they try to that they implemented all these things. So NDC is also one kind of that executive body who try to implemented all the policies that which is came from the Niti Aayog. So it's called a National Development Council, राष्ट्रीय विकास परिषद, जहाँ विकास के बारे में बोला गया हो और हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि हमारे राष्ट्र के लिए जो भी अच्छा है, हमारे राष्ट्र के लिए जो भी डेवलपमेंट हम लोग को चाहिए उसकी तरफ देखने का काम, या जो भी डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए राष्ट्र के लिए और नेशनल के लिए, सो उसके लिए जो भी कुछ करना पड़े, दैट काउंसिल, it is that kind of council who take care of that. Okay, it was set on the 6th August 1952, and it is neither a constitutional nor a saturated body. You get an idea. I hope you all get an idea about this term, because in my video of planning commission I already have explained this term, that constitutional body means the body, or you can say that the departments which is came under the articles, that means it is included in the constitution through some articles. Okay, and saturated body means the that which is came or which is enacted in our society through some act which is passed by the legislative or the parliament through some that by passing out some act. So this is, we can say that National Development Council or Rashtriya Vikas Parishad, it's not an constitutional body, means it is not come with and it is also one kind of the apex of the body that which can take decision on the matters related to approval of the 5-year plans of the country. Means you all know that the Niti Aayog, they try to they try to do the planning. Previously it was that PC, that is the planning commission, who are taking the 5-year plans. So for approving this 5-year plans, the that all kind of procedures, all kind of decisions, everything will be taken up, and the supervising is also very much needed. अगर आप जो भी 5-year प्लान बना रहे हैं, अगर इम्प्लीमेंट करने के बाद उसको अगर सुपरवाइज़ नहीं करेंगे, या फिर अगर हम लोग उसको नहीं देखेंगे कि कैसा काम हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा, then we cannot that we cannot get a conclusion, and in the next 5-year plan we need that kind of conclusion, otherwise we cannot make the 5-year plan. Because आप जो भी पहले 5-year plan में जो भी रिजल्ट निकले उसको देख के ही हम लोग बात के 5-year plan they are planning. So for that reason we can say that it is a apex body to take the decision on matters of related to approve the 5-year plans. Now we have to know the composition. Okay, so right now we have to know that the National Development Council, that is composed by how many members. So we have to that we have to know about this one. So there is the first one is the Prime Minister, who is known as the chairman of the NDC. So whoever the Prime Minister of our country, they are the chairperson, they known as the chairperson of that NDC. So the chairperson of the NDC, that is the Prime Minister of our country. Then we can say that the chief minister of all the states, means all the states, those who have the chief minister, so that we have calling that governing council. This is known as a governing council, where it is included all the chief minister, means we have a 29 states right now. So all the 29 chief minister, they are that it is included into the member of the NDC. Along with that, all the chief ministers and administrators of the union territories. Now maybe one question will be come in your mind, that why I am talking about the chief ministers of union territories, because we all know that in union territories there is no chief minister, only the administratives are there, those who those who are working directly or indirectly under the president. So why I am talking about the that chief minister. But there's a two union territories are there who have the chief minister. Like the first one is the Delhi, where you get the chief minister, and another one is Pondicherry. So in these two areas you get that the chief minister of there, and others union territories who having the administrative territories. So this we can say that that all the chief ministers or the administrative of union territories also included, along with chief minister, along with the prime minister. All the cabinet ministers that they also included over here, and all the members of the planning commission. See, now right now we don't have a planning commission, we have a that Niti Aayog. So all the that all the members, जितने भी members हैं नीति आयोग के, सब इसमें include होते हैं as a member of the NDC. As not only that, the that the secretary of the planning commission, means which is right now is a Niti Aayog. So the secretary of the Niti Aayog, also known as the secretary of the NDC. So NDC के लिए कोई अलग से secretary नहीं है, planning commission या नीति आयोग के जो secretary हैं वही NDC में भी अपना काम as a secretary post में ही करते हैं. As well as the administrative assistance is also provided by the planning commission. So Niti Aayog or the planning commission, they are giving NDC one administrative helper also, so that they will that they will take care, they will supervise all the programs, all the policies which is that is given by the Niti Aayog or the planning commission, so that it will be giving that it ये हेल्प कर सकता है कि ताकि एनडीसी अपने काम में कुछ मदद मिल जाए. सो फॉर दैट रीज़न दे गिव द administrative assistance. So I hope you all clear about the composition. Let's see about that the objectives, why the NDC that was made for our country. Okay, see, if one example I give you one thing, that suppose you are in a school and you want to that to give your application or some that leave application which is that indicating to the principal sir. So how you will, what was the procedure, right? You give your application to your class teacher, and your class teacher forwarded to your principal, and similarly the principal, whatever the that if it is granted or not, whatever the decision, they will that inform to your class teacher, and your class teacher will inform to you. So your class teacher, that means as a student, and the that class teacher and principal. So class teachers are doing the bridge, they are working as a bridge between the student and the principal, because it's not possible for the student all the time to directly contact with the principal. So for that reason the student have to go through with someone, so that a class teacher, we can say it's a bridge between the student and the principal. So similarly, in the same way, the things will be doing that Niti Aayog, they are implementing some plan, and all the plans are implementing, they are that implemented into the parliament or into the society. So NDC, they are working as a bridge between the Niti Aayog and the parliament, or you can say the Niti Aayog with and the citizens. So NDC is working as a that as a bridge. Okay, so let's see that what was the objectives. The first objective is talking about to secure the cooperation of the states in the executions of the plan. Means we all know that in the Niti Aayog also, beforehand the planning commission, they are making a plan, that is a top to bottom approach are there. That means they making a plan, and that plan is forwarded to the state. But in the Niti Aayog this is not happening. In the Niti Aayog, the state plus central both that by both they will that take the decisions, and कोई भी काम हो, कोई भी पॉलिसी तय करना हो या कोई भी पॉलिसी बनाना हो, तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट दोनों को मिलके ये पॉलिसी बनाना पड़ता है. इट इज़ इन द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ द नीति आयोग, बट विच इज़ नॉट हैपन बिफोर हैंड, दैट इज़ इन द प्लानिंग कमीशन. So for that reason we can say that NDC, what the NDC work that in this matter, the NDC they are securing the cooperation of the state. Means NDC ये देखता है कि हर जो भी स्टेट इसमें इन्वॉल्व है, ऑल द 29 स्टेट्स, वो जो भी एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है प्लान या जो भी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हो रहा है प्लान, तो उसमें वो कितना हिस्सेदारी करते हैं, कितना पार्टिसिपेशन करते हैं, कैसे काम करते हैं. सो सबको कोऑपरेट करने का द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज़ गिवन टू द NDC. सो द NDC that they try to cooperate it, they सिक्योर, वो स्टेट के जितने कॉपरेशन है, स्टेट जितना पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है, सबके देखने का, सबको प्रिवेंट करने का, सबको प्रोटेक्ट करने का काम करता है NDC, द मेन वन, सो दैट each and every state they can participate into the execution of the plan which is made. Next one is talking about that their main objective was to strengthen, means to give a strong that field and mobilize the effort and resources of the nation to support of the plan. Means जो भी प्लान बन रहा है उस प्लान के लिए जो जितने भी रिसोर्सेज हम लोग को चाहिए, all the resources they that they are providing by the NDC. So the NDC's main objective was to that to give they giving the effort and all the resources what is needed for the supporting of the plan. Suppose अगर हम लोग अगर बोलें कि अभी इस कोविड पैंडमिक में, इन दिस COVID-19 pandemic, that our government declared that to providing the rations for each and everyone. So for fulfilling this planning to providing the rations for each and every person, whatever the resources they needed, how they will that they collecting all the resources, they providing these resources. So whatever the methods they needed to that to fulfill these things, that is the main objectives of the NDC. Next one is that they are talking about the common economic policies in all vital spheres. So whatever the economic policy they were नीति आयोग they taken, that is promoted by the NDC. So NDC जो नीति आयोग अपना इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी, कॉमन इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी लेना चाहते हैं, तो उसको प्रमोट करना, उसको एडवर्टाइज करना, उसको सबके साथ बांटना, दिस इज़ द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ द NDC. It also ensure the balance and the rapid development of all the parts of the country. Not only that, it's also try to that they are balancing. They try to balancing the development. Means NDC they are supervising, or you can say they are try to that they are giving focus or giving attention towards the the development of the different parts of the country. हम लोग के कोई कंट्री के हर पार्ट, हर छोटे से छोटे जगह को डेवलप करने का काम ऑब्जेक्टिव इज़ टूवर्ड्स द NDC. एंड नॉट ओनली, ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ डेवलपमेंट ही हो लेकिन किसी को बेनिफिट ना हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. डेवलपमेंट के साथ साथ वो ये भी देखते हैं कि सोसाइटी में या कंट्री में सबके साथ बैलेंस है कि, मीन्स द लेजिस्लेटिव, executive, judiciary, all the local government, central government and the state government, all are balanced or not, the citizens are with the development, they are balancing their work or not, that also supervising by the that NDC. Not only that, the NDC also they are taking care of the materials which is, or the resources, or that the facilities which is related to education, related to medical care, social service, everything they try to providing to the citizens of the country. Not only that, they try to that improve the living standard of the people, so that at least the citizens get minimum basic things, and they that they develop their living standard. So if the citizen will live, अगर कोई भी citizen अपना living of standard बढ़ाता है, तभी हम लोग के country का development होगा. And also try to that take care about to improve the per capita income, that if in any country their GDP is, or the per capita income is increased, then automatically that country they are achieve the development. So that also that take care, or the objective of the NDC to increase the per capita income. Now let's see that the that the Niti Aayog, how it is work. Okay, so whatever the plans that whatever the plans are that is made, or that they wanted to take, that is goes to the cabinet minister, So what the cabinet minister do after the Niti Aayog plan was transferred to the cabinet minister, then the cabinet minister, they are scrutinize all the things and all the, that all every policies, and after, if it is said that, that the plan is goes to cabinet minister, and after rechecking all the plans policies, if it is correct, then it goes to the NDC again. It is, scrutinize all the works, and they try to take the help of the state also, and then when it was all okay, then it goes to the legislative, that means in the, that in the parliament, and from the parliament it was passed, and it was goes to the citizens, okay, through the executives. So these are the procedures how the NDC working, okay. Now let's see the functions of the NDC. Okay, the first function is that whatever the, that the plans are taking, so the guidelines how that plan should be work, or how that plan should be implemented into the society, that is done by the NDC. मीन्स नीति आयोग जो भी प्लान बनाए, वो प्लान सोसाइटी में कैसे आए, सोसाइटी में आने के लिए उन लोग को क्या क्या गाइडलाइंस है, क्या क्या मानना चाहिए, तभी जाके वो प्लान सोसाइटी में आएगा. सो दिस थिंग्स विल बी असाइडेड, दिस थिंग्स विल बी, दैट टेक केयर बाय द, सो ऑल द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, all the guidelines are prescribed by the NDC. Not only that, to consider the national plan as formulated by the Niti Aayog also. The next one is saying about that the consideration, the, that the national plan as formulated by the Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog se jo plan they were taken, so that is the duty of the NDC to, that to implementing into the, or to formulated it into as a national plan, or to rechecking it, okay. And also it try to whatever the resources, that whatever the resources needed for implementing this plan, they were assisted, or they were evaluated, rechecking by the NDC, and they try to suggest, give the suggestion about the measurement or the measures what is needed. That means suppose कि नीति आयोग जो भी प्लान बनाए, उस प्लान को सोसाइटी में जब इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाए, तो इस इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के दौरान जो जो रिसोर्सेज हम लोग को चाहिए उस प्लान को फुलफ़िल करने के लिए, तो वो सब रिसोर्सेज का देखभाल करना, वो सब रिसोर्सेज को, दैट टू इवैल्यूएट कि दैट इज़ वो रिसोर्सेज सब ठीक है या नहीं है, अवेलेबल है या नहीं है, सब कुछ रीचेकिंग करने का काम NDC का है. एंड उसके बाद अगर कोई ज़रूरत पड़े, या कोई फिर एडवाइस देना हो, या फिर कुछ रिसोर्सेज चेंज करना हो, सो एवरीथिंग विल बी, दैट ऑल द मेजर्स विल बी टेकन बाय द NDC. To consider the important question of the social economic policy affecting the national development also. That means it's also tried whatever the social and economic policies which is, which is affecting to the national development. अगर national development जो भी plan लिया जा रहा है, लेकिन उस plan की वजह से अगर national development में कोई अड़चन आ रही है, या फिर social and economic policy की वजह से वो development नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो that is, that NDC work is to criticize that thing and to try to that reformulated that thing. So whatever the, the social and economic policy was making, and if it is, that affecting the national development, then the question can be came from the NDC. The NDC, that raising the question whether that policies are, that good for the national development, or it will be affected. So these things will also be done by the NDC. Not only that, the NDC time to time they are review the working of the plan. Means जो भी plan हम बन रहा है कि वो plan ठीक से काम हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, as well as वो काम कितने हद तक they achieve their targets, or how much they are, that success to achieving the target of that plan. All the things will be reviewed or rechecked from time to time by the plan NDC, okay. And the last one is that the function of the NDC was that it is to recommend measures for the achievement of the whatever the national plan that was made for implementing, or for, that for achieving all the aims and targets, so that that plan will be, that will be getting a success. So whatever the, that whatever the measures, whatever the things needed for the achievement of that national plan, that is recommended by the NDC. So जो प्लान को ठीक करने के लिए, प्लान के सक्सेस के लिए जो भी हम लोग को मेथड या पॉलिसीज़ या रिसोर्सेज कुछ भी चाहिए हो, तो सबका सजेशन NDC देता है. सो दिस आर ऑल द वर्क्स ऑफ द, that all the works of the NDC. I hope you all get an idea about the NDC. So NDC is a executive, that body who can, that they are, that is planning and they are try to formulated whatever the नीति आयोग came and नीति आयोग का जो भी plan है उसको fulfill करने का पूरा responsibility NDC का. So NDC is working just like a bridge between the नीति आयोग and the supervisor or the citizens. Okay, so I hope you all understand this and thank you for watching my video.